So now we will continue with the reading of the chapter Reach for the Top. Within 12 months, Santosh found herself a member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition that invited her to join them. Now in 1992, she was able to scale Mount Everest, and uske next within 12 months, she was again invited for an expedition by जिसके अंदर Indo-Nepalese women, it was only a women's expedition और उसके अंदर संतोष यादव को invite किया गया basically because she was the first woman to scale Mount Everest and she was getting this opportunity for the second time. She then scaled the Everest a second time, thus setting a record as the only woman to have scaled the Everest twice. And that was the moment when she created a world record because she was the first woman in the entire world to scale Mount Everest twice, and securing for herself and India a unique place in the annals of mountaineering. Or with this, she uh, brought a lot of glory and pride to her family, to the entire nation, and in the world of mountaineering, she set up a standard, she set up a record. The Indian, in recognition of her achievements, the Indian government bestowed upon her one of the nation's top honors, the Padma Shri. And because पूरे world के अंदर she was able to glorify our nation, so इसीलिए Indian government ने one of India's top national honors उसको पद्म श्री से नवाजा गया. Describing her feelings when she was literally on the top of the world, Santosh has said, "It took some time for the enormity of the moment to sink in. Then I unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it aloft on the roof of the world." जब संतोष यादव से पूछा गया कि आफ्टर हर एक्सपीडिशन ऑन माउंट एवरेस्ट कि आपको कैसा लगा, तो शी सेड कि उसको एक्चुअली में शी टुक सम मोमेंट्स टू रियलाइज दैट शी वाज एक्चुअली स्टैंडिंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बिकॉज उससे ऊपर there is no physical place where a man can actually stand. So she took some moments to sink in the feeling that she was standing on the top of the world and the entire world was visible from there for her. And then she unfurled the Indian national flag और उसने उसको वहां पर एवरेस्ट के ऊपर फहराया. The feeling was indescribable. The Indian flag was flying on top of the world. It was truly a spiritual moment. I felt proud as an Indian. Also, a fervent environmentalist, Santosh collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Now, because वो एक बहुत अच्छी और डेडिकेटेड माउंटेनियरिंग member थी, so it was not just about climbing the mountains and then coming down. No, जब आप एक ऐसी जगह पर जाते हो which is basically untouched by the humans, you realize the importance of cleanliness, you realize the importance of keeping things as natural as they are. लेकिन what people has done is कि अब वो जाते हैं हिमालयाज के ऊपर and they leave their things there, they create human waste there, and which actually interrupts the beauty of Himalayas. So being an environmentalist, she managed to bring down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas, and which is actually a very big deal. The enormity of the moment, a very great moment. जो यहाँ पर एक वर्ड आया था ना enormity, उसका मतलब है कि a moment which is like so huge that you find it difficult to express. ठीक है.